This webinar series is devoted to the utilization of drones within a public utility operation. My name is Mike Davis, and I am Vice President of Training for Aerodrone and a professor of UAS technology. Now, at first, I would like to acknowledge the efforts and support by the Klickitat Public Utility in the state of Washington. The majority of the pictures you'll see are actual photographs from their successful drone operation. I would also like to thank General Pacific for their professional expertise in drone hardware and application support. In addition, Aerodrone provides the necessary enterprise software for the public utilities. We have created a 4-part webinar series that addresses a number of topics. The first webinar will discuss the basic concepts about why we even want to use drones. The second module will discuss the methods of setting up a drone program. The third module will discuss the various tools we will use within a utility drone program. And the fourth module explores the inspection methodology. The commercial adoption of drones is growing quickly, and electric utilities and co-ops are no exception. Drones provide a particular practical solution for the inspections of transmission and distribution lines, as well as substations. Drones support business efforts to avoid hazardous man-hours. It reduces costs for maintenance, inspections, and repairs, and even minimizes the downtime. Valuable use cases have proven with ground crews, linemen, and plant managers and engineers. Organizations are using drones and providing actionable inspection data on thousands of utility poles and towers across the United States. Commercial drone operators have conducted inspections for a variety of electric utilities, including companies such as Indianapolis Power and Light and DP&L, both subsidiaries of AES, a global Fortune 500 energy company. Federal regulations such as the current restrictions on flying drones beyond the visual line of sight are a common topic of discussion in the industry. Now, certainly, the use of drones in utilities will grow even faster as regulations are loosened and better airspace management and waiver application tools become available. And some organizations are already testing beyond visual line of sight operations, and you should be interested in taking this step when it becomes available. Through this presentation, we hope that you will find that drones can deliver real value to your organization today by using current technology under current regulations. There is no need to wait for future advancements. The future is now. Drones provide safe, efficient inspections and data collection for businesses across the energy industry. Trained pilots and experienced data analysts use drone technology to drastically reduce the inspection time, save labor costs, and reduce hazardous man-hours, all while providing higher quality data that enables companies to maximize energy production. Using drones in transmission and distribution today both opens up new possibilities and replaces existing work. Without drones, inspections are typically completed manually using climbing, bucket trucks, long-range photography, or helicopters. Clearly, manual inspections involving climbing or using buckets introduce hazards that are completely avoided with drones. Ground-based data collection typically lacks the detail and the flexibility that a drone can provide. Helicopters can capture data quickly and over large areas of land, but they're expensive. They cannot operate near residential areas, and they often miss finer defects, such as missing cotter pins, for an example. While we expect the benefits and use cases for drones to expand further in the future, the technology available for use right now, today, already offers significant benefits. Easy-to-use, multi-rotor drones can complete detailed inspections of 5 to 6 miles of distribution poles per day, capturing both thermal and RGB imagery. Teams will benefit from a higher level of detail, missing pins, rust, damaged insulators, compared to typically ground or helicopter patrols, and thermal imagery can quickly identify hotspots. The more detailed and accurate data delivered by the drone inspection can enable companies to proactively identify more defects, which could lead to fewer power outages and reduced repair cost. Utilities will find that they can save time and cost with drone inspections. For an example, with a drone, substation inspections can be completed within an hour, and no shutdown is required. Keeping the boots on the ground is one of the most obvious benefits of drones. Crews can get a close-up view of potential defects without climbing or using a bucket truck. Drones can also help avoid risk related to crossing private property, accessing poorly maintained or dangerous right-of-way areas, and dealing with unknown conditions following a storm. Drones can provide invaluable insights after a natural disaster when the terrain conditions may be unknown and fast response times are critical. Using drones allows quicker access to areas that may be blocked by water or fallen trees. Drones can collect information that can help you send the right equipment and personnel to the right location in order to restore power as efficiently as possible. Many of the commercial drones in use today are offshoots of the recreational drone market. The types of drones that are commonly deployed by ground crews for line inspections or post-disaster assessments, such as the DJI Phantom 4 Pro, are reasonably priced. Operation is also relatively simple, making the adoption easy and enabling quick return on your investment. During this module, we have discovered that drones offer significant benefits as better data, improved efficiency, reduced risk, fast response, better return on investment, and better data collection. Now, during the next module, we will be discussing of how to set up a drone program.